We are going to create a few more tests. We are going to check the sender who is sending the token has enough token to send, otherwise it will revert. It will say the user has insufficient balance. So let's try it. Let me just copy this and paste it below here. Instead of Alice, I'm going to say Bob, which we are getting from this function deploy token text, deploy token fixture. Here we are exporting Bob as well, so we are going to use that Bob as, and we don't need those for now. Here I'm going to say await expect token dot connect. Actually I spell await wrong. Await expect token connect, then we're going to connect Alice. Actually not Alice, it's Bob, and we don't need owner, we need Alice. Alice dot transfer. Alice will transfer token to Bob. Address, the amount. Actually we need to specify the amount. We are going to transfer one token, only one token, and this is going to be on instead of 1000. So amount, this need to be revert with custom error token. We need to specify the contract, then the custom error name, which is going to be ERC20 insufficient CINT. Okay, yeah, I guess I made the spelling, I made no spelling mistake this time. And from here I'm going to create another. So let's try now. Yeah, npm hardhat test. Yeah, it is working perfectly, but we didn't change the name of our test. This is going to be reverts if sender balance is insufficient. Yeah, hope you understand. In the Open Zeppelin documents of ERC20, all those function we are actually testing. Now I'm going to create another test. This test, yeah, actually let me just copy this disk drive and paste it below here. Let's get rid of this test. We don't need this, and the test name will be allowances and transferFrom. So let me just write it, approvals and transferFrom. Okay, now we don't need anything in here. We are going to write by ourselves. First test is going to be for updating. Here we need to change updates allowance and emits event. Now we are going to take owner and Alice here as well. Then we are going to provide some allowances. Allowance is equal hre dot ethers dot parse units. Here I'm going to take 500 tokens, 18, then I'm going to allow Alice to spend 500 token on behalf of owner. Okay, so just write await expect token dot approve Alice dot address, then allowance. After writing this allowance, then to dot emit, we need to declare an event token. The event name is approval. With args, we need to specify owner dot address, then Alice dot address, then allowance. Actually, allowance is the amount which we are going to allow Alice to spend, and we are going to test that actually. At last, we need to make sure the allowance is updated successfully. Therefore, we are going to write another test. Expect await token allowance owner dot address Alice dot address to dot equal allowance. Okay, now let's try it with npm hardhat test. Yeah, it is passing, I guess. Yeah, approval and transferFrom update allowance and units event.